Alright, we're working on the Oliver 1800 and I got the tire off it. It went flat when it was sitting inside, so I took it outside and used the bucket hydraulics to lift it up so I could get the tire off. I got it held up with the high lift jack right now. So the tire went flat and the bead got broke, and with the valve core out I repeatedly tried to get it to air up, and I just tried it one more time with the valve core in and I couldn't get it, so I got to take it to town to get it repaired so I can get this Ford out. I can't get the Ford out unless I get the tire on the Oliver, so I can get the Oliver out of the way so I can get the Ford out. And apparently we want to get the Ford out so we can bring a car in to work on. But the number one most important thing is to get that tire fixed. Today's Sunday, so I can't drop it off today, but I came out and picked it up this morning in case I get put on a 12-hour shift. One of my buddies has been calling in sick every day. It sounds like it could be COVID related. So that's where I'm at. I just happen to feel well rested, so I came and got the tire this morning. This is John Rudy with Rudy Racing, signing off.